Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby, the Learning Lab. Today at Dune Valley, we'll use place value to compare and order numbers up to 10,000. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Comparing numbers up to 10,000, using greater than, less than, and equal to, comparing digits by place value, and ordering numbers from least to greatest and greatest to least. To compare numbers means to decide which number is greater, which number is less, or if the numbers are equal. Greater means bigger. Less means smaller. Equal means the same value. We use symbols to compare numbers. This symbol means greater than. This symbol means less than. This symbol means equal to. The open side of the greater than symbol or the less than symbol faces the bigger number. For example, this means 8,000 is greater than 5,000 because 8,000s is more than 5,000s. Let's try another one. This means 3,400 is less than 3,900. The open side still faces the bigger number. Now let's compare 6,824 and 6,482. Start with the thousands place. Both numbers have 6 thousands, so the thousands are equal. Next, move to the hundreds place. The first number has 8 hundreds. The second number has 4 hundreds. Since 8 hundreds is greater than 4 hundreds, we know 6,824 is greater than 6,482. We don't need to check the tens or ones because once a larger place is different, that decides the comparison. Sometimes the numbers look very close. Let's compare 7,356 and 7,392. Thousands first. Both have 7 thousands. Hundreds next. Both have 3 hundreds. Tens next. The first number has 5 tens. The second number has 9 tens. So 7,356 is less than 7,392. When digits match, keep moving right until you find a difference. Now let's order numbers. Ordering means putting numbers in a sequence, least to greatest or greatest to least. Let's order these from least to greatest: 2,918, 2,198, 2,981, 2,819. All 4 numbers have 2,000s, so we compare the hundreds place. The smallest hundreds digit is 1, so 2,198 comes first. Next is 2,819 because it has 8 hundreds. Now compare 2,918 and 2,981. They both have 9 hundreds, so we check the tens place. 2,918 has 1 10. 2,981 has 8 tens. So 2,918 comes before 2,981. The order from least to greatest is 2,198, 2,819, 2,918, and 2,981. We can also order numbers from greatest to least. That means biggest to smallest. If least to greatest goes up, greatest to least goes down. So the order from greatest to least is 2,981, 2,918, 2,819, and 2,198. Same numbers, opposite order.
Comparing numbers left to right. Start with the greatest place inside. If they match, keep moving through. The first different digit gives the clue.
Thousands first, then move right. Find the change, order it right. Your turn, explorers! Challenge 1. Which number is greater, 4,782 or 4,728? Correct. The thousands and hundreds match, so we compare the tens. 8 tens is greater than 2 tens. So 4,782 is greater than 4,728. So the greater number is 4,782. Challenge 2. Complete the comparison. 9,105 and 9,150. Correct. The thousands match, 9 thousands. The hundreds match, 100. Now compare the tens. 9,105 has 0 tens. 9,150 has 5 tens. So, 9,105 is less than 9,150. The missing symbol is less than. Challenge 3. Put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 3,640, 3,604, and 3,460. Correct. The order from least to greatest is 3,460, 3,604, and 3,640. If we wanted to order the same numbers from greatest to least, we would just reverse the order. So the order from greatest to least is 3,640, 3,604, and 3,460. Challenge 4. Which symbol belongs here? Correct. Both numbers are exactly the same, so the missing symbol is equal. Let's review what we learned today. You compared numbers up to 10,000. You used greater than, less than, and equal to. You compared digits by place value, and you ordered numbers from least to greatest and greatest to least. Great job completing all of today's learning objectives. For comparing and ordering numbers up to 10,000, you earned the Number Comparator Pro badge. Congratulations! Next time, we'll learn how to round whole numbers to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, and to the nearest 1,000. See you in Lesson 4. Bye, Explorers!